Here comes the snow. It's Friday, February 8, 2019, 7:45 a.m. 31 degrees outside. It's beginning to snow big fluffy flakes. Well, our friendly neighborhood deer are looking for a treat this morning in the snow. What are you thinking you're gonna get?
Mama and her baby.
Well, I guess they expect something because they're just sitting there waiting for us.
Let Lily out, please.
Diane has something for you.
Do you want apples? Uh-oh. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, now the baby's limping. No, you can't limp. Hey, come here. Whoops. It's okay, Sharon.
Well, you're welcome. That's all for today. Oh, you're limping. Oh my. Mom's hurt. She got hit by a car. Well, we got too many deer around here. It's 10 a.m. The snow is coming down hard. 32 degrees. Hey, Lily. Are you watching the birds or just snoozing? Looks like Lily's gonna get a second opportunity to go out in the snow. What are you doing out there?
It was covered with snow, so they can't get to it.
Oh. Diane used this umbrella as a creative cover for the sunflower seeds. At least 2 inches already. Lily, the birds are the other direction.
Lily, what is Randy doing?
Holy moly. We gotta come down now. I'd say it's close to 4 inches. Wow. I can hardly see you through the blizzard. Well, it's not a blizzard, it's just a mega snowfall. It's clear up to her belly. It's only been snowing a couple hours. This is shadows kind of weather. I don't see any birds right now. They're kind of taking a break. Too difficult to fly around in this heavy snow. You can barely see the little lights in the maple tree. Hey Lily, you want to go out in the snow? No, I'm fine right here for now. I'll just play with my toys. It's 34 degrees outdoors. That would explain the heavier flakes. So quiet. Getting close to 6 inches. Looks like the kids are out of school. Time for some snow play. Snowing hard again. Birds are trying to get some of the seeds and suet. Holy cow. It's a winter wonderland out here. Woo! Really snowing hard. Temperatures dropped. What do you think, Shadow? Wow, it's beautiful. The view out our picture window, and it is quite a picture. The birds come and go. Don't know what turns on their switch for feeding time, but when they come, all different types of birds arrive. I have no idea how much snow we're going to get, but there's 6 to 8 inches already.